Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share a traditional dish from Gilgit-baltistan known as mull in the Shina language. This special dish holds a deep cultural significance. It's often prepared for mothers who have just given birth and is also a cherished welcome dish for newlyweds. Let's begin the recipe. Start by taking 4 glasses of water in a pot and heating it on a very low flame. Gradually add flour while stirring continuously using a bread roller. Traditionally, we use a roller for this step, but you can also use a whisk or spoon. The key is to ensure the flour mixes smoothly with the water. Continue mixing and cooking for at least 5 to 7 minutes on low flame until the mixture is well combined. Once it's ready, pour the mixture into a bowl. Now, add butter as needed and sweeten with sugar to your taste. In Gilgit-baltistan, we often use a special grape syrup known as disha as an alternative to sugar. I'll be sharing the recipe for disha very soon, so stay tuned. And there you have it, a delicious and traditional dish of Gilgit-baltistan, ready to enjoy. I hope you liked my recipe. If you did, please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.